Yo guys, if you like to create your own techno drones, dark sounds that you can put behind your drops, use it in your breakdowns as an ambient sound, that kind of sounds, this is how you can make it in 2 minutes. So you can use any type of vocal sample. Let's find something that fits. So my track is in F, so I'm gonna try to find something in F. So okay, that sounds nice. I'm gonna double click to it, right click, edit in audio editor, right click again, tools, and choose blur and accept the full amount blur and drag drop it back to your project. Now we got something like this. And now we got something like this. Just drag drop to a mixer track, add an EQ, roll off some high. And probably it's good to just do some low cut. Okay, let's keep it like this. And I'm gonna duplicate this one, alt click. And in the second clip, I'm gonna pitch it 1 octave down. And we got this one. And we will just layer 2 of them. Okay, sounds good. And let's overlay them and consolidate once more. Go edit in Edison and do one more blur. Drag drop back to the project. This is the final version. Sounds super sick. Let's route it to mixer track again. And this time let's activate the sidechain. So you can even just put some stereo widening as well. And just push it very back of the mix. And this is how it sounds with the full mix. So that sounds super creepy and works perfect in the techno drops and techno breakdowns. I hope you can apply these tricks to your own productions as well. Today that was it guys. Follow for more 2 minutes tutorials.